Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to a brand new vlog. This is gonna be the first vlog of 2024, so I gotta say Happy New Year. Hope you guys are doing well. As you guys can probably see behind me, I do have some stuff. So in today's video, it's going to be a Tesla install day. Nothing crazy. There are some things that need to be improved with this car. So I'm heading over to Larry's shop right now, EV Mod, to go ahead and get these things installed. Real quick though, before we get there, I am going to Japan in a couple months. So if you guys have any recommendations, I am probably going to be staying around Tokyo, maybe for about a week, and then I'm going to go to another spot. But if you guys have any recommendations for food, excursions, activities, anything, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm super excited because it's going to be my first time, so I hope you guys are ready for some Japan vlogs. Let's go ahead and show you guys what I picked up. Quick unboxing. Gotta be careful with this one. There we go. So I got a digital rear view mirror. Now my dad drives this car during the week. He's been complaining that he can't see too much out of this rear view mirror, and I will give it to him. It's not really the best. The car does come with cameras on the back. He just wants to see what's behind him. It's a dad thing. It's a dad thing, I get it. If it was me, not a big deal, but since it's for him, we'll get it taken care of. I got the mirror from Hanshow, and I will leave a link down below in the description to Hanshow. They have a whole bunch of accessories for Teslas, all of the Tesla models. Make sure you guys check them out, and you can use my code to save money. Make sure you use this code right here. And if you guys don't want to order online, Larry sells Hanshow products at his shop out here, so if you're local, you can tap in with Larry to purchase as well as install, and he also does mobile installs. Larry's info will be down below in the description as well. We also have one more package over here. Shout out to Hanshow. And this right here is ambient lighting for the frunk. So I've been seeing a lot of people with air setups and a nice frunk setup, and you know, I just felt like adding a little ambient light in there would be a nice detail, nice little touch. Will it make the biggest difference? I don't really think so, because I don't have an air system that I'm showing off. I just know that it's there, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna be doing the ambient lights. My car is an absolute mess right now. Dang, this thing hasn't had a car wash in a very long time, only because it's been raining out here. So this is the new rear view mirror right here. This is the one that has a screen in there, so whenever I put it in reverse, it should show something, or it should have different modes. So we'll see how that looks a little bit later. But we got Daniel over here. He is already getting started. Larry is removing the stock mirror right there. Dude, this looks like a bomb that's about to detonate. Like you gotta unplug the right wire or else it's gonna go. So this is Larry's display wall right here, showing you all of the products that he sells in his shop. This one is one that I've been wanting to do. These are ambient lights, but it's built into the actual trim, so it looks like it's OEM. And you also have your full control over there. Screen swivel mount, different size screens. You got rear screens as well. Lighting, steering wheels. Look at this one, dry carbon on the whole wheel. This one's pretty nice. Custom door handles that have the lights in them. The display isn't on right now, or else I would show you. Fog lights. And he also has a custom table. All right guys, so Daniel's starting on the backup camera, that rear camera. This car already has a rear camera, but in order for it to appear on that mirror, you have to put another camera, which is this one right here. And he said he has to route the wire all the way from here, all the way down here, either up or down, and eventually connect to the rear view mirror right there. Okay, right now Daniel's taking the OEM camera, stock camera, putting it into our new mount right here. So you're gonna see two cameras on it now.
It's gonna look like this.
Yeah.
An extra camera.
That's so much better. Originally, I thought that it was just gonna be on the top part of this license plate frame, and you would see one camera here and another one right here. But I'm glad to see that's just one piece right here. All right guys, I'm with Tony here from Bandit. You guys might have seen his product in my last video, but we're gonna go ahead and have him demonstrate his own product right here so you guys can see how it works.
I actually started like 5 years ago. My sister, she got one of the very first early Model 3s. Tesla gave them an injection molded piece of plastic with the double-sided tape. At that time, it was like, I think there was only one other company that was making it. I said, hey, you know what? Let's just try to do something. I came up with the design, and the original one actually took somewhere around like 5 minutes to install. It had these tabs on it, and it was kind of finicky, but that's all I knew at the time. In 2020, I actually changed the design because the parts I was using was outsourced and it was no longer available. Now I have this design. Instead of 5 minutes, it just literally takes a couple seconds. You just lift this lever up, and it pops off just like that. There's also a locking screw on the side to prevent, you know, casual people from coming by and just removing it. So you just slide it in, line it up, push the lever down, put the locking screw in, and that's it, you're done.
And where can they go if they want to buy this?
QuickBandit.com. I also have it available at Larry's shop, which is EV Mod, and also Testorati Marketplace. Another distributor I have which is also Test Plus.
I've seen a lot of people that do the mounting on their own, and sometimes they'll drill into the bumper, it'll be off-centered, it just looks ugly, but with this one, you won't damage anything, and you could just remove it whenever you need. So if you guys need one, link is in the description. Out here in California, they're really particular with having a front license plate. Earlier I mentioned that I wanted to do the interior lighting, so here is just an idea of what it looks like. Guys, this thing changes the whole look of the inside.
This is for internal only, and I have some presets here. I can just press it. It changes.
Oh yeah.
And then if you pull up to like a car show or something, I have this remote here which controls the external ones. So now whatever I press on here, it syncs throughout the entire network, which I have, you know, in the car.
I think we need a Model X on the channel one of these days. Super nice. So much more space than the Model 3. Alright you guys, I just left Larry's shop right now, and like I mentioned before, my dad was having issues seeing in the old mirror, so now you can see everything. I've been playing around with it a little bit so you could tilt the angle of the mirror. You can have it higher, you can have it lower, however you want. I usually put it right there, and then this one is brightness. I'll have it at the brightest, and this middle one switches to a front camera, but since I didn't want to get that one installed, it just stays on this back camera part, which is perfect. So this whole setup came with a front camera that goes kind of by the grill area, underneath, you know, kind of like above where the lip would be, and I didn't want a camera right there. I just thought it'd be pretty pointless, so I decided to opt out of that. My dad was complaining about not seeing the back, so we just gave him the back camera. And we also got the front light installed as well. So I'm pretty excited about that. I think it just adds a little extra detail, a little extra flavoring. It's like when you get your favorite dish and you know a little bit of sauce could make it just a little bit better. But yeah, that's going to wrap up this quick little vlog. Today is Sunday, so I'm gonna try to edit this video when I get home. So if you guys are seeing this, I hope y'all are having a beautiful weekend, whatever it is, wherever you are. But I'm gonna go ahead and sign off right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, let's get it 2024. Drop some goals that you guys have down below in the comment section, and I'll see y'all very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.